Hey guys, Mike from 2dumbbellman.com here. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a dumbbell sumo squat. Okay, so to do these, you're going to start off with your weight in front of you like this. You want to have your feet wider than shoulder width apart, with your toes kind of angled outward at like a 30-degree angle. So you can, stand like a sumo wrestler. It kind of helps your hips rotate and flex in the right position. And you're going to squat down and grab the weights you're not bending over like a deadlift, you're just squatting down like this. And then you're going to go from touching the floor back up to the top and between that range for your rep. That's your glutes workout, sumo squat. Don't forget to like and subscribe down at the bottom. Leave any comments, questions, suggestions as well. Alright, thanks guys. See you later.